What is it? What is up, you guys? It's your boy Johnny back again with another video. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be letting my sister drive my truck, so we'll see how that turns out. Make sure you guys stay tuned. We're gonna let her back it out and everything, so we'll see how she does. She doesn't even have much experience driving, so we'll see what happens. Kind of nervous, but we'll see what happens. Let's go. Alright, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and hand over the keys. Go ahead and start it up. Wish her luck, guys. Where are you going? You're driving it.
Oh yeah.
Go, just turn it on. I don't even think she can back it out of the garage. Right? Let's have her start it up real quick. Pa si sabe cómo. You know how to start it up?
Yes. The seat, can I move the seat forward or no?
Nah.
Yeah, I can. Can I?
Yeah, it's right there. It's electric.
Oh shit. I thought it was the old one.
What?
The old Chevy. Wait.
Well, it is an old Chevy.
Oh shit.
What are you doing?
Okay, that's good.
Damn, you're sitting all the way up. Alright, it's fine. Turn it on. Start it up.
Okay.
A la verga. No quema acá. I think, holy shit. I don't think this is a good idea, guys. Oh, hell no. Be careful with the bumps.
I feel like I'm still too back. Nah, I can see really good because it's a lower truck. So.
Alright, make a left.
Okay, wait, I don't want to.
Put your signal.
Oh yeah, huh?
You could tell she's new to this. Alright, turn your wheel like all the way, yeah, like that. So you don't. Alright, go.
Oh, guys, I suck at driving. I'm gonna crash.
Alright, go. No, man. Alright, right now we're actually gonna pull up to my cousin's house. He's gonna roll out with us. We're gonna hit up the mall right now, so. Right now, ahorita, a ver si no chocamos. Slow down, slow down. A ver si no chocamos ahorita, cause she has little experience. Alright, make a left.
Wait, let that car pass.
Ahorita a ver si no.
Fuck, I hate it.
Ahorita no nos lleva alguien ahorita. Alright, you guys. Hopefully we make it to my, oh shit, my cousin's house in one piece. Does this truck feel fast or what?
It feels really heavy. Like, I feel like there's like brakes on my feet.
Brakes on your feet?
Nah, I like it. I like how it's lowered because I could see easily because I'm so short.
Alright, bet. That's her take on the lower truck. Slow down right here on the bumps. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Oh yeah, I can lower it.
She thinks she's on a lifted one. Alright, there's one up ahead right now, but we'll get a little air. Damn, guys, this is weird. I don't really let anyone drive my truck. Alright, slow down, slow down.
Am I the first?
No, I let my mom drive it. That's El Primo. So far she's doing good. So far we're safe. Pero ahorita llegando a ver qué show. Alright, we made it out here to my cousin's house. ¿Qué andamos? How would you feel if you drove this every day to school?
I don't know, to be honest.
You don't like trucks or what? You don't think it goes with girls or what?
I do, but I like trucks, but not for me. I personally like cars.
Oh, she's a car person, guys. She's not a tacuacha.
Nah, they're driving the traffic, right?
Yeah, it's because we're not gonna let her drive in the traffic, guys, porque está cañón. Going to the mall, there's a lot of traffic. But right now we're just gonna pull up to the nearest
risk it. I don't wanna crash.
Nearest gas station ahorita and I'll take over. Pero ahí estamos. We'll probably let her drive it once we're back. Push on the brake!
Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Go! Put it on D on drive.
Isn't it oh shit. Oh wait, I'm cooking too much.
On D, yeah, right there. Go.
This way, right?
Yeah. You guys think, should we let her drive in the, hey, wait, in the traffic or not? You think you can or no?
I don't know. I would get nervous.
We'll see right now what happens. Good show. Well, the mall's on the left, so like might as well start changing now to the left. So signal to the left.
Do I go now? Or is there a car?
Well, look by your mirror to see if there's any cars.
Guys,
Look, they're probably like, what the hell is she doing? Alright, turn left.
I'm trying
Dale,
to
dale, dale.
I'm on shit.
Go left.
Is there cars?
No, there isn't. You're good. Everyone's like, bruh, this viejita driving. Alright, but stay on your lane. Stay on the left. Alright, you guys, ya casi llegamos al mall. Todo bien so far. She swerves off the lanes a little bit, pero hay más o menos. We're almost there. Make sure that limit's right. Make sure you're not going too fast. The SS cluster.
Híjole, aquí, híjole, I keep going, right?
Yeah, keep going. It's green. If it's green, you keep going. Alright, slow down. It's on red over there.
Guys, look, my dream car, a Camry. Oh wait, it's not my
A Camry.
One day.
A Camry. Alright, slow down, Lee. Slow down. Slow down.
Yeah, relax. You're like my mom.
Nah, right here. There's too much traffic.
Yeah, I feel like
Alright, you guys, we're gonna switch porque hay mucho tráfico y no quiero arriesgar la troquita. Así que, But like I said, we're heading out to the mall, guys. A ver qué nos compramos. Está la trocona. She made it in one piece. Está el cuz in the back. We're about to head out to the mall. Fuga. Alright, you guys, ya cambiamos de mono y ahora sí yo manejando. Let me show you how it's done. Cómo manejar la mamalona. We're almost there, guys. Like I said, we switched because it's too risky. I don't want to risk it. I don't know. There's a lot of traffic, so. Pero ahorita llegando al mall, I'll get back to you guys.
guys, can we take a moment to look at how beautiful the sun looks? This sunset.
AZ sunset.
AZ sunset.
Here to the mall. Se me está cayendo el billete. We made it out here. We got my sister recording. Así que ahorita estamos manejando la mamalona. Ahorita que nos compramos. El camarada acá que se va a comprar unos jordanes. Guys, ahorita we're gonna hit up Paxson. The homie wants to hit the finish line ahorita. Aquí andamos. Keep you guys updated. Guys, we just got out of Paxson. No hallamos nada, no hay ni madres ahorita. Ahorita a ver qué hallamos, a ver si compramos algo y si no, pues ni modo para la otra. Pero aquí andamos.
They're already closing.
And they're already closing también.
They close what time?
8, I think. Alright, you guys, ready to go. La neta, no hay ni madre. Aquí andamos donde hay todo el descuento. Porque no hay billetes. We didn't find nothing. Kind of bummed out. I'm gonna buy some shirts, pero there's nothing. Either way, it's about to get cold, so a ver si sacan algo nuevo por ahí. Pero ahí andamos, we're about to dip home. I'll catch you guys right now. Ya que no compramos nada at the mall, no pudimos hallar nada. Venimos aquí por un Starbucks.
Alright guys, so we're getting our drinks. Guys, this is embarrassing. I'm just kidding.
9:16.
Look, the In-N-Out line is so long.
Drinks aboard. Damn, it was
We got
late.
some water as well. Yeah, okay.
Right now, fuga para la casa. Y pues Aquí andamos. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Alright, you guys, that'll be it for today's video. We just made it home. Aquí andamos. So make sure if you guys want to see more videos, comment with my sister, comment down below. What did you think about driving the Mamalona?
It was good. It felt nice.
But alright, stay tuned for more content, guys. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, everything. And like I said, if you guys want to see more videos with my sister, go ahead and comment down below and let me know, guys. Till next time, it's your boy Johnny.